started releasing the official mock test. Basically, it's a test which XAT releases so that people can write a test. The idea is that you have a fair idea as to how the paper is. For XAT, for XLRI, it is basically trying to push people to fill forms earlier as far as possible. Whereas for the students, the advantage is that they get to write a mock test to understand the pattern, because understand XAT is a little bit different from all the other exam, mainly because of the DM section. DM section is completely very different. Else also the DI sets technically sometimes are quite different from the other exams and so on. So you get a fair idea as to what the test is all about. We've been training students for exams right from CAT, XAT, etc. We do have workshop for XAT as well as for other courses which is there. Now coming to XAT 2020 official mock. Now if you register before 26th October, you will have a test window from 29th October to 1st November where you can write the XAT mock. So idea for them, for XLRI, idea is to make more students apply early. So moment they have a target saying that if I fill the form before 26th, I can write a mock on 29th. It gives a more incentive for people to fill the form. But for students, it gives a good idea about a XAT exam as to how the paper is and what you need to do to crack the examination. So how does it help other exams? If you look at XAT Cont is similar to CAT Cont. I mean, if you compare CAT Cont and XAT Cont, very similar. Few 2-3 questions or 2-3 topics completely different, but otherwise you can always prepare for CAT using XAT material. You can prepare for XAT using CAT material, at least for the Cont section is concerned. The verbal RC also XAT will help in CAT RC. The verbal RC in XAT is a little more different or longer passages, less questions, but yes, similar to CAT RC. So that there it helps. Critical reasoning VA is similar to NMAT critical reasoning. NMAT is a very high weightage for critical reasoning. So that XAT VA definitely is there compared to NMAT critical reasoning. XAT DM questions is like NM. There are only a couple of questions of DM in NMAT, but yes, there is no source for preparation. So the XAT DM question becomes a good source to prepare for NMAT DM questions. So this is where the whole paper regarding different sections come into handy. So my recommendation is write the paper. I mean, writing XAT test will not affect your preparation for other examination. As a matter of fact, it gives a different approach, because that longer paper, a different type of way to strategize, definitely gives a different perspective of how to go about writing the paper. Also, it provides a good source for questions. I mean, you can pick up the XAT questions and just practice those questions for maybe the CAT or the other exams. It helps. So pick up the XAT paper. I mean, register for the XAT exam, pick up the XAT paper and try to solve that. That will help you for prep. Hope this helps. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to preparation for different management entrance examination. Do subscribe. Thank you.